Inter second year MEC CEC Telangana State 2021-22. Subject Commerce. In present video, I am going to cover 4 topics. First one, public exam question paper pattern. Second point, important questions from commerce part. Third, important theory questions from accountancy part. Fourth, important problems from accountancy part. Let us see the first point. Public examination question paper pattern. Question paper is divided into 2 parts. Part 1, Part 2. Part 1 is commerce, Part 2 is accountancy. So each part is for 50 marks. 50 plus 50 total 100 marks paper. Part 1, commerce. Section A. 4 questions will be given to you. You have to attempt any 2. So each question carries 10 marks. 2 into 10, 20 marks. Section B, 8 questions will be given. Student has to attempt any 4, 50% choice. Each question is for 5 marks. 4 into 5, 20 marks. Section C, 10 questions will be given. Any 5 you have to attempt. Each one is for 2 marks. 5 into 2, 10 marks. Now commerce part is completed, 50 marks. Come to accountancy part, part 2. Section D, 1 problem will be given. So there is no choice here. And that problem is for 20 marks. So this problem may come from chapter 5, admission of a partner, or chapter 6, retirement of a partner. Section E contains 3 questions. Any 1 question student has to attempt. It is for 10 marks. Out of these 3 questions, 1 theory question comes from chapter 2, that is consignment accounts, or chapter 3, accounting for not-for-profit organizations, and the 2 problems come. One is from chapter 2, consignment accounts. Another one is from chapter 3, accounting for not-for-profit organizations. Section F, 6 questions will be given. Student has to attempt any 2. So more than 50% choice we have here. Each question is for 5 marks. 2 into 5, 10 marks. Out of these 6 questions, 2 problems we can expect. 1 problem comes from first chapter, depreciation. Another problem comes from third chapter, accounting for not-for-profit organizations. This chapter contains 2 topics, receipts and payments account, income and expenditure account. So we can expect a receipts and payments account related problems for 5 marks from this lesson. Section G, 10 questions will be given. Student has to attempt any 5. Each one is for 2 marks. 5 into 2, 10 marks. Out of this 10, 1 problem may come from 5th chapter, that is admission of a partner. From this topic, important problems are problems on calculation of new profit and loss ratio, otherwise problem on calculation of sacrifice ratio. Remaining 9 questions may be theory questions. With this, first point, public examination question paper pattern is completed. Come to second point, that is important questions from commerce part. 10 marks questions, 5 marks questions, and 2 marks questions. First, 10 marks. First question, what are the differences between money market and capital market? Second question, what are the different types of mutual funds? Explain. Third, what is stock exchange? Explain its functions. Fourth, define banking and explain its functions. Same question may come in another manner. Define banking and explain its primary functions. So same topic is important for 5 marks and 2 marks also. If he wants to give 5 marks question from this topic, important questions are, first one, explain the various types of deposit accounts in a bank. Second one, what are the different forms of bank lending? From same topic, you may get 1 2 marks per question also. Important question is cash credit. Fifth question, what is insurance? Explain the principles of insurance. Sixth, explain the functions of insurance. From same topic, we can expect 5 marks question also. And question will be, define insurance, explain the secondary functions of insurance. 7, define entrepreneur, and explain the characteristics. From same topic, you can expect 2 marks question also. Define entrepreneurs. Eighth question, explain the functions of an entrepreneur. Ninth, what are the principles of management? From same topic, you can expect one 5 marks question also. Distinguish between unity of command and unity of direction. 10 marks questions completed. Next come to 5 marks important questions from commerce part. First question, what is money market? Explain its functions. From same topic, we can expect 2 marks question also. Question is money market. Second question, what is capital market? Explain its functions. For 2 marks also, this question is important. And the question will be capital market. Third, what are the differences between primary market and secondary market? Fourth, what is derivative? Explain the various products of derivatives. Fifth, define mutual fund and explain its objectives. From same topic, we can expect one 2 marks question. Question is mutual fund. Sixth, what do you mean by bulls and bears? 7. What are the various types of retail loans? Explain. 8. Explain the advantages of IMPS. 9. State the features of insurance. 10. How Danhoff classified the entrepreneurs. From same topic, you may get 2 marks questions also. And important questions are, first one, adaptive or imitative entrepreneur. Second, Fabian entrepreneur. Third, drone entrepreneur. 11th question, what are the special provisions enacted by Telangana state for the MSMEs? 12. How special support is extended by the government of Telangana to SC/ST entrepreneurs in our state? 13. What are the steps initiated by Telangana government for improving the productivity and income of traditional arts and handicrafts of our region? 14. What are the features of internal trade? 15. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages of departmental stores. 16. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages of multiple shops. 17. What is international trade? How it differs from internal trade. 18. Discuss the benefits of international trade. 19. Explain the characteristics of management. 20. Define organizing and explain the steps in organizing. 21. Explain the principles of directing. 22. Explain the importance of controlling. With this, 5 marks important questions from commerce part is completed. Come to 2 marks important questions from commerce part. So while mentioning the important questions for 10 marks and 5 marks, I mentioned some 2 marks questions also, no? So learn all those 2 marks questions. In addition to those questions, learn these questions also. First one, financial market. Second one, forex market. Third, structured products. Fourth, stag. Fifth, lame duck. Sixth, jobber. 7, broker. 8, RTGS. 9, NEFT. 10, surrender value. 11, paid up value. 12, whole life policy. 13, endowment policy. 14, what is project report? 15, what is bridge loan? 16, term loan. 17, what is the wholesale trade? 18, what is retail trade? 19, hawkers and peddlers. 20, cheap jocks. 21, what is street shops? With this, second point, important questions from commerce part is completed. Come to third point, important theory questions from accountancy part. 10 marks theory questions, 5 marks theory questions and 2 marks theory questions. First, important theory questions for 10 marks from accountancy part. First question, distinguish the differences between consignment and sales. Second, explain the differences between receipts and payments account and income and expenditure account. Third, write the features of receipts and payments account. Fourth, what is an income and expenditure account? Explain its features. With this, 10 marks theory questions from accountancy part is completed. Come to 5 marks important theory questions from accountancy part. First one, explain the causes of depreciation. From same topic, questions may come for 2 marks also. Important questions are, first one, what is depletion? Second, what is obsolescence? Second question, what is donation? Explain the types of donations. For 2 marks also, you may expect one question from same topic. Define donations. Third, what is computerized accounting? Explain its features. From same topic, some questions are important for 2 marks also. First question, what is computerized accounting? Second, what is the feature of scalability? Third, supremacy. Fourth question, explain the advantages of the computerized accounting. Fifth, what are the differences between manual and computerized accounting? Important theory questions for 5 marks from accountancy part is completed. Come to important theory questions for 2 marks from accountancy part. While giving the list of important 10 marks and 5 marks theory questions from accountancy part, I mentioned some 2 marks theory questions now. In addition to these questions, learn these following questions also. First one, define the term depreciation. Second, what is straight line method? Same question may be asked in another manner. What is original cost method? Or what is fixed installment method? Third question, what is diminishing balance method? Same question may be asked in another manner also. That is, what is reducing balance method? Or what is written down value method? Fourth question, del creditor commission. Fifth, what is account sales? Sixth, what is subscriptions? 7. Define legacy. 8. What is partnership deed? 9. What is goodwill? 10. What is ratio of gaining? With this, important theory questions from accountancy part. Third topic is completed. Come to fourth one. Important problems from accountancy part. So for 2021-22 year, 30% syllabus is deleted. So student should know which problems he has to learn and which problems he can leave. So I'm giving important problems from accountancy part. Chapter 1, depreciation. From this chapter, one problem comes for 5 marks. No? Important problems are 1 to 6. In Telugu Academy textbook, page number 37 to 39. Next, problem numbers 8 and 9. In textbook, page numbers 40-41. Next, problem numbers 11 to 15 in textbook page numbers 43 to 44. Next, some illustration problems are also important from this topic. Illustration 5. In textbook, it is available in page number 60. Illustration 9. Textbook page number 26. Illustration 11. Textbook page number 29. Next, chapter 2. Consignment accounts. From this topic, one theory question comes for 2 marks. Rarely, he may give one problem for 2 marks. And important problems are 4 to 7 in textbook, page number 79. And for 10 marks, one problem comes from this chapter. Important problems are 1 to 10. Textbook page numbers 80 to 82. Chapter 2, Consignment Accounts. Some illustration problems are also important. Illustration problem 1, 2 and 5. These 3 problems are available in page numbers 57, 60 and 64. Next, chapter 3, Accounting for Not-for-Profit Organizations. From this chapter, you will get one 5 marks problem and 10 marks problem. 5 marks problems are first 3 problems, 1 to 3. Textbook page numbers 124 to 125. So receipts and payments account related problems, these are important for 5 marks. Next, 10 marks problems from the same chapter. Important problems are 4 to 10. In textbook page numbers 126 to 130. Then from the same chapter, some important illustration problems also students should learn. Illustration 6, illustration 7. These 2 are important for 10 marks. These 2 problems are available in textbook page number 111 and 130. Then 5th chapter, admission of a partner. From this chapter, student can expect one 2 marks problem and one 20 marks problem. Important 2 marks problems are 7 to 10. Textbook page number 236. And important 20 marks problems are from 1 to 17. Textbook page numbers 238 to 252. Sixth chapter, retirement of a partner. So one problem may come from admission or from retirement, no, for 20 marks. From this chapter, 20 marks important problems are 1 to 14. Textbook page numbers 299 to 308. This is the end of present video. All these important questions PDF is available in description box. Hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you.